Hello. In this video I'm going to show how you can set a keybind to instantly turn your PC off. So first you want to be on your desktop, you want to right click, and then click New, and then Shortcut. And once you're here you want to have this typed in, and then click Next. And then you can name this whatever you want. Right now it's on shutdown, and I think I'll leave it there. So now here's a shortcut. If you double click this, it'll instantly turn your computer off. It won't even like show the menu or anything, it will just turn it right off. But to set a keybind, you want to right click and click Properties, and then here you'll see shortcut key. You can click whatever key you want. I'll click P for example. Now as you can see, it automatically sets Control, Alt, and P. Unfortunately I don't think there's a way to set it to be only P. I think it just automatically puts Control and Alt in front of your keybind. So that's a minor annoyance, but at least it's a key that can automatically shut your computer down. So, but anyway, you just click OK, and that's it. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.